This is the Weather Extreme video. It's the morning edition for Friday, April 15th. I'm James Spann. Still the risk of a few widely scattered showers today, but improving weather. Headlines our weekend forecast. And very warm next week. Go in there and check it out this morning. Little weak upper low is still near Memphis, and that'll keep some risk of showers around today, but the air is relatively dry, so nothing heavy or widespread. Big trough in the western states. Getting set for some big snow in places like Denver in coming days, where they're under winter storm warnings. That was our radar at 5:09. A few spotty showers around, but not too much rain. Temperatures are in the 50s. We'll expect a high in the 60s today. And that's the regional composite. Rain coverage a bit higher over parts of Mississippi and Georgia early this morning at 5 o'clock. Up on the watch warning map, things are quiet around here. Winter storm warnings for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah. Gotta love that mid-April snow, and they'll be buried in spots there. Convective outlook for today. No problems here, obviously. A slight risk of severe storms for parts of the South Plains of Texas north up into southwestern Nebraska. Tomorrow, severe storms possible for parts of West Texas. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a risk of severe weather again over parts of Texas, especially the southern part of the Lone Star State. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning, and this is basically showing nothing for the northern part of the state. Amounts for South Alabama under 1/4 of an inch, but the really big rains ahead of that upper trough from Texas up to the Great Plains, and again, that's some really beneficial rain. They could use that. Rain amounts there between 5 and 7 inches are likely. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Troughing in the west, ridging in the east. That little weak upper low is underneath the ridge. And again, that will keep it mostly cloudy with a chance of a few showers today. And we get the wedge coming in, so East Alabama should be cooler. Places near the Georgia border might try and stay in the 50s today. Got 1031 high that's over New Jersey. This is the high-resolution HER model today at 4 o'clock, and just spotty light rain showers around. So could it rain today? Certainly, but probably not too much, and a decent part of the day should be dry, much like yesterday. Tomorrow, Saturday, the weekend begins. Boy, look at the snow set up there for Denver. Wow, that's a big one. For us, again, the cold air damming, the wedge is going to break down, but I clearly think we start the day with clouds. This is the high-res NAM at 7 o'clock, and there could be a few little patches of light rain or drizzle about, so the day will probably not look very pretty as it begins, but by afternoon, the bulk of the rain should be over and the sky should begin to clear. So we'll forecast morning clouds, gradual afternoon clearing, and the high tomorrow probably in the 60s. It all depends on the clearing, and sometimes the clouds can be stubborn in leaving after a cold air damming situation. But Sunday looks great. Sunny, we go back in the low to mid 70s. Should be a beautiful day. Monday of next week, sunny and warm. A good chance we'll be up there close to 80. Same thing on Tuesday. And even Wednesday, looking dry, we'll call it partly sunny with a high close to 80. Little summer preview. Thursday, we'll bring in the chance of a few showers. Doesn't look like anything too heavy. And a week from today, you can see troughing coming in. This is Friday the 22nd. And that suggests a chance of showers and maybe some thunder. That's the instability, the surface-based cape, and that would certainly support some thunder, but it's not really a severe weather look. So increasing chances for showers toward the end of next week and maybe some thunder by Friday the 22nd. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday the 24th. Trough in the west. Ridging beginning to build here, and that looks relatively quiet. Check the numbers off the GEFS ensemble. 70s for the weekend. We're seeing those 80s in here on a couple of days next week. And the weather late this month looking warm with highs mostly in the low and mid 80s. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.